Hello, welcome back to Baking in Quarantine. Today we will be making homemade peanut butter dog biscuits. And I'm washing my hands. So you need flour, peanut butter, 1 egg, and water. And some cooking spray. Then add all of those and mix it up. I will be making a video showing you how you can crack an egg with one hand. Now mix it up. Now add in a little bit of water at a time. I accidentally added too much, so don't add a full 1/3 cup. Now take some parchment paper and put it on a cookie sheet or baking sheet and knead out your dough. Actually, no, don't put it on the baking sheet yet. Put it on your countertop and then knead out your dough till it does not stick to you anymore. Now, roll out your dough and cut it out. I'm using these cute little dog bone shaped cookie cutters. Now lay them out on the pan. Oh, spray your pan first and then lay them out on the pan. And set your oven to 350 and put the dog biscuits in there. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Now you can store your dough in the refrigerator for a few days. Not too long or it'll mold. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope your little dog enjoys these treats, and be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks, bye!